Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odesiba. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I bake this beautiful traditional marriage cake, and also I'll be telling you my story and my experiences as a baker. I'm going to catering school there. My teacher normally tell us to follow her to go and introduce cake. But me, I don't normally have chance on Saturdays because I normally use this day to wash clothes, like do my laundry and other house activities. When I started having cake orders there in Nigeria, if anybody will order for cake, I will just bake the cake and just go and drop it there in the venue, and then I will just jackpot because I was escaping this cake introduction because I never did it. All the times I bake in Nigeria, if you are doing wedding ceremony or birthday or anything, I will just deliver the cake and I will just run because I'm running for this introduction. Till this cake, this wedding cake, this one I could not run because I also delivered the cake and I was there live and direct. So when it was time for them to cut the cake, they were just calling, "Baker, where is the baker? Baker, where is the baker? Come and introduce the cake." I was like, oh my goodness, what is this? I've been running for this for years. And now, this time around, I can never run from this. I was like, in my mind, I said, I can do it. I can do it. We are going to deliver the cake now. This is my husband. He's very, very supportive. He's very, very helpful. May God continue to bless him for me. As I was saying, my mind was telling me myself that